Now, I know a lot of people want to gain followers on this platform. They see that as the end all and be all of things. Now, gaining followers is cool. You gain a loyal following of people that are into the stuff that you're into, your humor, the things that you love, all of that. But whenever you make your videos, no matter what it is for, do not think about, okay, will this video get me followers? That has a little bit to do with it, but it shouldn't be the whole thing. Make quality, engaging content, personal content. But having said that, let's go ahead and look at how you can gain followers. How you can gain followers is just as easy as it is in normal life. When you find a video that you like, go ahead and do a double tap. Like this video. Go ahead and write a comment saying that, you're awesome and things like that. Get engaged in the community. And if you have the option, another way of getting followers, if the person has allowed it, is doing a duet. And that is a really cool thing. And if they have allowed that on their videos, and if you saw in a previous tutorial, you can allow that in your videos that you put up, and I would highly suggest it, is that if you duet the video, your name will show up at the bottom of their duet. It will show up on their page, but you will be given credit and a direct link to your video and to your profile. So all you would do is on your side, you would tap on duet, and then you would have a side-by-side, and you would record your responses, record your stuff to the cat video, and you would be able to add different things. And of course, this video is going to show up on my channel, but it is going to have their work that's there. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do this duet. So I'm going to tap on that. Oops, let's backtrack. You got to hold down. We're going to confirm. Oh, look at the little, oh my gosh, that's a cute little kitty. Oh, yes, it's a cute kitties, yes. Okay, and then once you're done, you go ahead and do your thing. You can adjust your levels. You can do the original sound if you wanted to. You can do a voiceover, or you can add your different filters and all of that stuff. You can do all of these different things, and then tap on next. And then you can see the duet. It's got the hashtag, and it's got the individual's username that is there. Now you can allow comments, you can allow duet, and you can allow to save to device. You have those options on your platform that is there. You can also publish to Instagram if you wanted to do that, or you can publish to your Instagram stories, which will go on your Instagram account should you decide to link that up. But in any case, the original artist is given credit where credit is due. You can also add your hashtags, and adding appropriate hashtags will allow you to not only be seen with this artist, but also be seen with the right hashtags, and could increase your following. But the whole thing that we have to keep in mind is we need to think more about just outright engagement of people like you normally would. People can smell a faker a mile away. Engage with people that you really like their video content. Engage with all of these people. Ask them questions, ask them, what's going on. And yeah, you're going to encounter some jerks. You're going to encounter a lot of people that just won't write you back or won't follow you back. But don't worry about that. Gain followers by creating good stuff and by engaging with the community, and you are going to find that a lot of people will start following you back, especially if you find that right niche and that right passion that you want to do and want to convey to other people. You are going to find that your following will grow over time, or it could be very immediate. But just be honest and treat this thing like it's fun, because TikTok, it it is fun. It is very fun.